Hello and good morning, guys. Thank you for joining us for yet another episode of our youth channel. Feel in the right place, in God's presence, where everybody is somebody, including you, who is here with us today. Last Sunday, as we are all aware, we set out for Gitwamba to visit one of us, Shiro, who has been ailing for quite a long time after being involved in an accident. We so much thank all of those, who made time and paid her a visit. We had a really good time. But for those of us who missed out on the chance to go to Gitwamba, we have just a brief, or rather a small recap of what really went down. We set out on two of these luxury VIP coaches owned by the Matara Sacco. Davik here reporting for the youth channel, St. Andrew's Cathedral. And as you can see, we have just arrived here at Shiro's place. And we are about to get inside so that we can have a moment of fellowship with her. For now, let's first check in. Once inside the house, guys had such a wonderful time that they even had time to watch some Kimonda, aka DJ Afro movies.
I don't know, nimesikia gushumi yako. Punde si punde, boyfriend yake akachomoka. Kandi na kubola na kumwana wewe fwana. Unajua kandi mimi nimesikia yako fwana ni makhumis. Nikaona hata nikujeko hapa fwana. Halawa kandi lakini mtumbi sasa cheki zile uturari hapa basi gata. Cheka maneno.
Later on, led by a very loving youth pastor and the youth committee, we presented our gift to Shiro and her family, and indeed, we were very happy to be a blessing to her and her family.
Thank you so much.
Soon after, it was selfie time. And guys had quite a good time. That some of them even thought that they could try on some shades, like this man you can see here. Other guys went scenery viewing, and others, that was their time to eat and socialize. But of course, it was a nice moment. The journey back was a fast one, but not without fair share of some hilarious moments. The first mat ran out of ngata. Okay, yani iliisha fuel. Almost all of us, but especially Olive, were very shocked when we realized how to fuel a car in the highway without a funnel. But I must say, it's a pretty expensive method because apparently you have to use 1,000 Kenya shillings. So that went down in a nutshell last Sunday. Now let's take it back to studio with my brother Mwangi. Thank you.
Indeed. Thank you very much for that expose. Now to other updates. Remember that we usually have a Bible study every Tuesday and a fellowship every Wednesday, all starting at 5:45 p.m.
What you are seeing here, guys, is not a Sunday service. Actually, it's a Wednesday fellowship in session. I can only wonder why you are missing out on these weekly activities when everybody else is attending them and getting very blessed and inspired indeed. So please, this coming week, make time and attend our weekly activities. Kindly, I urge you.
Remember, we also have praise and worship sessions every Saturday alongside choir practices. Kindly join us in those ministries. Something else that happens on Saturdays is that guys come here to have fun the Christ way from 3 to 6 p.m. Let's have a look.
Tell her taka bang. Same peasy again. Yeah, I am bang bang one time. Everybody bang bang 2 times. I got yang 3 times. Yeah, man.
Saint P, we that big.
Nimeokoka na inanibamba mbaya. Yesu ananibamba mbaya. Ananibamba mbaya. Bamba mbaya. Nimeokoka na inanibamba mbaya. Yesu ananibamba mbaya. Ananibamba mbaya. Bamba mbaya. Bamba hey. Ananibamba mbaya. ni bamba mbaya.
So ndo hiyo mshaipata. Until next time, let us meet same time, same place, same channel. Thank you.